I stumbled upon an old typewriter at a garage sale last weekend. It was charmingly vintage, with keys that begged to tell stories. That night I dozed off next to it, only to wake up to the clattering of keys. My heart pounded as I saw it typing by itself. I was paralyzed with fear as I read the words forming on the paper, detailed descriptions of my worst nightmares. Each night brought new horrors, more vivid and personal than the last. I tried to get rid of it, smashing it to pieces, but it reassembled itself by morning. The final straw came when it typed out a scene of me, asleep in my bed, with a shadowy figure standing over me. I looked up, and there it was, the same figure, inches from my face.